guys, let's have a little tour of our room. We have a new addition to our door decor. QR code on there. It'll go right to our YouTube channel. So if you happen to be on board, check it out.
You know where we go?
We have our anchors in our name.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Let's head in.
The only free food right now is on the other side of the ship. So.
Oh. We found an Adam. Hold on, I'm trying not to slam the door. Okay, I don't know what you guys just saw, the ceiling probably. So we do have an interior cabin on deck 8 on the Panorama. So let's start in the bathroom this time. So we have our bathroom off to the left. Got our shower, no door, just a shower curtain. You have a little shelf over here in the corner, in addition to the soap and the shower gel. Got our towel rack. And on the sink, we got 3 shelves on each side. Some shelves down below, so pretty standard bathroom as far as Carnival goes. Heading out of the bathroom. Adam's still there. Got the temperature control and one hook here. That's the light switch for the bathroom. This room does have the card slot to keep the card in the door to keep the power onto the room. And they did provide us with a blank card to stay in the slot, so we don't have to worry about putting our room keys in there. But our room keys live here on these hooks. So we spot them before we head out of the room. Safety instructions there on the back of the door. And we have a 2 cabinet closet here, so hanging on the right with plenty of hangers. We got a full-size mirror. And then on the left, we have shelving. So 2 shelves up top are room safe, another shelf, and then 3 drawers below. So for us, for 8 days, it's more than enough storage. Coming over here, we got our desk. There is 1 drawer here. Comes with the hair dryer. I like to keep the rest of my hair stuff in there. Little stool. The phone. Plug wise, we got 2 regular USB plugs. 2 110 plugs, which we bring an adapter, so it gives us more options for plugs. And then you got the European plug over there. And the nice lighted mirror. And we have an announcement, so please hold. Alright, announcement's over. Continuing on. So, we mentioned on some of our previous videos that we bring all these magnetic hooks, and so this is why. I like to keep things neat and tidy. Yes, we'll have extras that we're not using, but it helps save space.
Sometimes I just hang Sam up.
And then our trick to keep the room smelling nice is to bring along one of these little small spaces air fresheners and hang it up there by the air vent with the magnet clip or magnet hook. Right, over here we got a big old TV. I asked Adam, I said, was this the biggest TV we had in a cabin? He said no, but it is pretty big as compared to most of the cabins we have been in recently. Big old shelf here, 3 shelves down below, so again, more storage areas. And here we have our mini fridge. Got that going on down there. This room is a connecting room, so if you were traveling with other people and you wanted to be connected to the room next door, here's the door to get to the room next to us. And along the sides of the bed there is a nightstand with a light. There's no charger ports or outlets over here, just the light, and then extra space in the cabinet. So shoes went in there this time. Suitcases are under the bed, except for Adam put his over here next to his bed because he's extending his nightstand. Yeah. But yeah, that's about it for the room tour. Miss anything?
Nope.
Okay. Catch you guys later.
Sailing free, where its tales are born. Every sunset.